This is the Carpentry program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. Do you dream of a career in construction or woodworking, like to work with your hands in an immediate job after high school, or even start your own business? Then the Carpentry program at Pioneer is for you. Learn cabinetry, finish, drywall, and framework. You'll build a house in the lab as a junior and on the job site in your senior year, using state-of-the-art tools like today's professionals. Put your earned NCCER and OSHA credentials to work after school and earn college credits through Columbus State Community College.
Hello, I'm Mr. Tuttle. I began teaching at Pioneer in the fall of 2019, but my experience here began back in 1994 when I chose to become a student in their carpentry program. Probably the first big decision I ever made by myself. I graduated from Pioneer in 1996, moved to Columbus the following year, and lived there for 18 years. While in Columbus, I earned a construction management degree, worked for several companies, and eventually owned my own general contracting business. I've spent over 20 years in the construction industry, and I still love it. The industry needs good people to fill great paying jobs. When I decided to become a teacher, it only made sense to come back to the place where I started. Attending Pioneer when I was your age was one of the best career decisions I made in my life. In the carpentry program, although we cover some commercial and industrial, we focus on residential construction. Although most of the instruction here is geared towards construction, I also cover some basic electrical and plumbing. Even if it's not for the carpentry program, choosing Pioneer is a good choice.
Hi, I'm Justice Franks. I branch out from Lexington. I'm in the carpentry lab. My favorite project is probably the job site we're going out on right now. On the job site we're doing in Shelby, currently we are putting up drywall on an arch that we reframed. We're gonna put up drywall, cut the arch out of the drywall, and put glass around the doorway that we framed up. And then after the framing, we're gonna go around and respray all the ceilings. You learn a lot of skills. You learn rough framing, you learn how to put up drywall, basic electricity, siding, roofing, all that stuff contributes to going out on job sites and doing it the right way. If you're into a hands-on lab and you like seeing things from start to finish, or you're into blueprinting or stuff like that, I mean, yeah, this would be the perfect lab for you.
Take a tour of Pioneer anytime online or apply today at gotopioneer.com.